As police were attending to this, they received information that there are people who were doing some cleansing down about 1.5 kilometers from here. Well, we have gone and see that scene. In that scene, there were 4 people who were standing outside, and as they saw the police, they exchanged fire with the police. Police shot back, killed one, injured one who was arrested, and one is arrested and injured. One has run away. Fortunately, they know who ran away. So we've seen one of those guys, and they gave us the story that indeed they were doing some cleansing, and they gave us the name of Nyanga, the witch doctor, whom they say comes from Swaziland, and all that. But a person that has died, it looks like he is the guy. His name is Sores. I don't know the real name, but his name Sores is linked to too many crime scenes, special murder around here. We believe that formally and officially police will be linking, but is known to have been really notorious around here, Maritzburg, even in Durban, Nanda, and all that. So that's a person who's lying down dead when the police responded to the information they received here. So it's a crime scene, terrible. Too many people were lost there. But as we say, that we thank police that they managed to respond quick on the matter. They've arrested those 2 people, 1 injured, 1 dead, 1 run away, and 3 firearms. They found 3 firearms to those people that have exchanged the fire with the police. They are working and linking the crime scene to this crime scene. So that's a situation that has come up.